Okay, so today what I'm going to show you is a really quick and easy birthday cupcake recipe, and this is what I've made for years and years and years for both my kids when they go to birthdays and they have to bring their own dessert. And we're making it today because my son has his birthday, and I'm going to walk you through the ingredients. It's very easy. I am getting this from Happy Herbivore Cookbook, and it is on page 216, and we are doing these delicious cupcakes, and we're also going to make the icing, so we're going to go through that recipe too. All the measurements will be in the description box below, but I'm going to walk you through all the ingredients, what you're going to need. So you're going to need 2 cups of whole wheat pastry flour, and I mill my own flour. So if you want to more information on that, let me know. But there's a little clip that'll show you that you'll see me milling it. You're going to need your milk, and I'm using the organic unsweetened plain soy milk, and the ingredients are 2 ingredients, water and soy. You're going to need sugar, applesauce, baking powder, baking soda, salt. That's for the cupcake. Here I've got, this is optional, a little bit of lemon zest. That my daughter likes lemon, so we put the lemon zest in there. And then for the icing, you're going to need more milk, the soy milk, some confectioner sugar, some vanilla, and then on top I sprinkled these here that I found, and they're the only non-toxic ones, and they have very few ingredients right here, no food coloring and stuff like that. And then for the actual cupcakes, I wanted to show you the difference between the 2 cupcake holders that I found. So this is the regular one that you'll find at all the supermarkets, and it's just the regular one here. But this one is made out of parchment paper, so you have no sticking, where if you use this one, the cupcake will stick to the outside and it'll be kind of messy. But this is like parchment paper. I don't have the box that it came in, but it's the same brand as the brand that I get my parchment paper from. So you'll need that. I've also, just so you guys know, have these silicone molds that I've tried, and they are a mess because you can't clean them. So I don't use these anymore. Okay, so we're gonna get started. We're gonna mix all of our dry ingredients in here. I'm gonna mix sugars, baking powder, baking soda, a little bit of salt, we're going to mix that together. Now we're going to mix our wet ingredients. Just all the wet stuff here. Milk, applesauce, and our lemon zest. I'm not adding vanilla. We're going to mix them all together. Okay, so last we're going to fill our molds, and of course you just fill them 3/4 up because they do poof up. So I'm just going to fill these up and we'll come back. Okay, so I filled them, and I filled them a little bit too high because I have one less. So we're going to bake these at 350 degrees. It says between 15 and 25 minutes, so I'm going to put them in at 20 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to make the icing, and it's in the same book on page 225, and here is the recipe. I'll put all the measurements below. I've got my soy milk right here, and then I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla before I add the confectioner's sugar. So that's about a teaspoon of vanilla. And now I'm gonna add the sugar. And I'm just gonna keep mixing it, just like so. And I'm gonna keep adding to it until it gets to the thickness that I want. So it all depends on how thick you want it. Okay, so here is what it'll look like when it's done. I added a few more tablespoons of the confectioner sugar, and I'm gonna put this aside until the cupcakes are ready. So it's been 20 minutes, and we're gonna take the cupcakes out. And I just checked the one here, and it's clear. So I'm gonna let them cool completely. I'm gonna take them out and put them on a wire rack and let them cool completely, and then we'll come back. Okay, so I've done a few. I did them about an hour ago, and so you can see it gets hard. And so this one, I just added a little bit more sugar so you can see that you can make it thicker if you want. It doesn't need to be runny like the other one. And all you need is just a little bit on top. And lastly, I'm just going to take some of this here, these little sprinkles, and I'm going to sprinkle some on top. And what I would do when my kids were going to school, public school, I would put these in a little tupper and they'd take them with them to school if there was a birthday party or if they were invited to a birthday on the weekend. But we're going to do birthday here at home, so you guys will see what we're going to eat for birthday dinner and what the birthday boy's getting. Okay, so we are having our birthday dinner, and these are all requests from birthday boy over here who's turning 13. And his favorite meal is my cheesy pasta right here, and I will put links to all these videos below. We've got my stuffed mushrooms, we've got steamed what is
Brussels
it?
sprouts.
Brussels sprouts, and extra cheesy sauce on top, and this is what it'll look like. And then to top it off, we have some delicious sparkling cider. And stay tuned for dessert. Okay, so this is our birthday cake, and we've got cupcakes all around, and birthday boy specifically requested the video on the chocolate pudding, McDougal chocolate pudding, so he gets to eat this entire center part, and then husband and I get these little miniature ones, and baby girl wanted the cupcakes. So that's how we're gonna have birthday for George. Thanks for watching.